Hi everybody, welcome to another paper airplane tutorial, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a new cool paper airplane. To make the paper airplane, you need a piece of US letter size paper. If you don't have US letter size paper, use A4 paper. Just use regular printing paper to fold the plane. Now let's start. First step, let's fold the paper in half this way. And then fold the paper in half again. Turn the paper like this and fold it in half. And open the paper. Now start from the upper layer. We have two layers, so open the upper layers and fold this upper layers to the other side while you hold the center of the plane. And next, let's start from the crease right here, fold down to the below crease. How you can see it. So press down. And then I press down the paper and fold this layer back to the other side. Repeat the same fold here. Open and fold down. Okay, so after we fold it down, while this layer on this side, let's start from this edge, fold it to the center crease. And then next, let's estimate about 1 inch along this crease and fold this layer out, fold straight out like this. Fold the whole thing out, right? Just 1 inch or more than 1 inch, 1.5 inches along this crease and fold it. Now this layer, we will try to match this corner to actually we'll match this edge to the edge here, so just do it. This will be the same size. Okay, so match this edge to this crease and fold down and fold this layer back to hold the paper. Alright, and then fold it back. So now we have the crease. This is good. We need the crease here for the next fold. And now let's do it this way. Let's estimate about 1/2 inch the center of this length. You can see this edge, estimate the center of this edge, and start from this corner for straight to there. Okay, you should make the wings a little bit bigger. That is fine. Looks so good. Next step, let's open this layer and start from here. Let's estimate about 1/2 inch again, or the center of this length at the edge right here, and start from this corner and fold straight down to enhance the stabilizer. Very simple. So just fold it right here, and then I fold this wing back, and I fold this side here, and then I repeat the same fold for the other side. Actually, let me do it this way. Well, we have it here. Let's start from this edge, fold to the center crease, and fold it back. And then after you fold this, after you have it, you can fold this to the other side and repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Let's open this layer, fold to the other side, start from this edge, fold to the center crease, and repeat the same fold. Now we can use the other side as a reference. 1.5 inches along this edge and fold straight out. Or I can turn the paper over and I fold this layer to match it to the other layer, and then I can match this edge to the edge of this part of the plane. Or you can use the below edge here to match to this edge. Actually, when you have them match, you can fold down and repeat the same fold. Start from this edge, right? You see this edge here, you can fold the upper layers the same way So, and press out the paper. Now fold this layer back here. We have the stabilizers, and then I flip the paper over. Next step, I would use this edge as a reference to fold the other wing. So fold this layer back here, and then use this wings, just fold out. And then press this hard and fold it like this, and then unfold. Now you can use this as a reference to fold this side back in to hold the plan. But before we finish that, let's create the enhance the wings by matching this corner to the center of this length. Now let me adjust it. It can't be that much. Perfect. And then I match this edge to the center crease. And then I can fold this layer here back here. And then now I can turn the paper over and fold it in half. Right? And then I can start from this side. Imagine that you have a line straight from this edge and match with this edge somewhere in the center. And use your finger, hold the plan, push it out like this until you can match both sides together. You have the plans look like this. And now I press out the paper. Next step, I will start from this tip. I fold straight to this corner. You can see the intersection of this edge and the other edge. Fold up, curl the wings and fold it up, and repeat the same fold for the other side. Let's press out the paper, and then I will show you how to do it. Curve it slowly. Alright, and then you can match this edge to the other edge. Here we go. So this is what we have. You can fold it a little bit more. It's a little bit not enough, so I've adjusted a little bit, just a little bit more, so that the head will be shorter. That should be okay. This should be okay now. Let me adjust it. I fold this part down just a little bit more. It needs to be down more, otherwise the plan won't fly well. So let's adjust it. The good thing is now we have the wings. So we have the previous fold. Now we can repeat the same fold as I have done before. So just do it. Then turn the paper over. Repeat the same fold. And now I can press that to see how it looks like. This looks perfect, right? And at the very end, I'll fold this part up to create the stabilizers. I will make sure that this edge, which I'm going to create, will be parallel with the center of the plan. So I just fold it up, and then I'll match it. I match this edge to the edge right here. This is one of the easiest way to do. So match it, adjust it a little bit too, and repeat the same fold for the other side. For a little bit more. Yeah, here we go. Then unfold it. Here we go. So this is the plan. Before you fly it, you need to adjust it a little bit more. Let's turn the paper over, and you can see this part of the plan. Let's use your finger and push it down again, like this, just a little bit. Okay, so this is how it should look like, pressed out. And now you have this the paper plan, and turn this over. You will see it look very amazing. And here you go. This is the new paper airplane. Let's test it out. This plane has a handle right here. You can hold it to throw. Make sure that you learn how to throw it first. Sometimes the plane will not fly well at first, but after you adjust the wings, like I'm doing now, flatten it out, stabilizer needs to be parallel as well, the plane will fly very well. If it doesn't fly, you can curve the wings up a bit. And finally, this is the new paper airplane. I hope you guys will enjoy making this plane. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe.